time when I was required to sign shares for transfer of shares a couple of years ago. Not very many back, just 20 years ago. If I wanted transfer of shares, we would have to sign those papers. That's now gone. In the case of property, you can do real estate by going into an IPO listing. You can do REIT and get into a listing. And now they have taken it to the next level. So what is it actually happening? It's the fact that liquidity of money worldwide, investment portfolios in different places, like you're investing into the capital market, debt market, gold. So you have gold, originally physical gold. You don't have physical gold now. You invest into the security system, which is backed by gold. So I think the real estate is also moving into the same market for two reasons. Number one, the capital markets have too much money. They don't know where to put the money. So real estate is one of the additional areas where you want to do it. Second, the ease of doing business has improved over a period of years. So all the issues which were relating to land have improved over a period of time. Not enough, to be honest, but a long way to go in order to do it. But they've taken the marketing part of it to the next level. So I think congratulations to House of Abhinandan Lodha to take it to the next level. And I'm also learning from him in order to do that better and better over a period of time. But this innovation had started long back in different segments of the segment. And I think it's going to continue to happen in a much bigger way in the future than its past. But second, it is going to be consolidation first and tokenization second. Because there are bad people in the market. Until that system is not set, the consolidation will take place, and it's already started. So for example, in the MMR region, before COVID, we had 18,000 developers who were there. Today, there are 12,000. So consolidation has already taken place very quietly, silently, but truthfully. How would you go in for tokenization if you didn't trust the paper that you were going to do it? So I think the trust factor, consolidation factor, all these factors are going to be much more important in the future than in the past. But of course, this is going to happen and there is no going back on this. Last one, the AI system which is going to take up, we'll get far more data availability to the investor over a period of time because of AI. The documentation of registration, availability of land records, and all these things have to be consolidated through AI. The states are doing it, they're very slow. We still have a long way to go in order to get it completely to happen. My view, in the next 1 year to 2 years, all that is going to happen. So what he's doing now, you will see almost 50% of the people doing it tomorrow. But the other part of it, if it is not done, then it may take 5 years or 10 years to make it happen across the board. So you can't have saying tier 2, tier 3, land, everything is going to go that way. Because it's also about trust. It is about backing it up with security and making surety of what is there. That's a big question mark in many cases. So whether it's going to happen across the board today, answer is definitely no. Tomorrow, 100% yes.
Of course, I mean, so the brand play is going to be very, very important here. I think we are already seeing that in conventional real estate, where brands are obviously commanding much higher premium than, say, not so well-known brands. Let me go to Mr. Rohira. You run one of the largest REITs in the country. Do you feel slightly even threatened is probably an extreme word to use, but if tokenization really gains momentum in a big way, will REITs, feel the heat to some extent?
Yeah, it's only going to increase the marketplace. So I think first let me just go with what Niranjan sir just said. I think our markets are not mature and disciplined to be able to adapt to an efficient product like tokenization to that level, because there is no real transparency available, right? Even the REIT legislation took 8 years to build. Thankfully so, they were very, very conservative to build that, even though there were global models available to learn from. SEBI was very tight on what they wanted to do, and rightly so, because you don't want hard-earned money of investors who are excited about investing in real estate, seeing this as an opportunity for fractional ownership to the smallest degree and losing out on their capital. So I think the governance mechanism has played out, but I think we are a long way to go till that market matures and you come down to tokenization to a substrata level. I don't think it's going to play out early, and it should not, if you ask me, for the benefit of investors.